So class 10, so today we're going to start off with data interpretation, paragraph writing. And as you know, paragraph writing, it is a very important writing skill which has been introduced this year as a part of your examination, right? So we have done descriptive paragraphs on narrative also almost after the end of every chapter. So we know how to write a paragraph. And of course, the things that you have to remember in the paragraph is that we have one topic and our whole ideas, all the sentences, they have to revolve around that main topic. Avoid giving unnecessary or irrelevant information, right? So wherever it is, like of course in a descriptive paragraph, you might have to give a lot of facts and information. And when you do talk about your narrations, about your experiences, then of course, yes, so just let your imagination take you wherever you want to. But yes, remaining within the limits or what is asked for you to write in the paragraph. Now today we're going to start discussing about an important kind of writing skill, that is paragraph writing, but we're doing data interpretation or analytical paragraphs. As the name suggests, what is data interpretation? It is understanding the information that is given to you. You could be given information in the form of a graph, right? You do your graphs in the maths, you like there, showing statistics, showing numbers, showing information, right? It could be your bar graphs, your pie charts, right? Any way that information it can be presented to you. And we have to understand that what is it that is depicted over there in this statistics that is given to us. Now describing that, we are going to write a paragraph. This is called your data interpretation, right? So data is your information that is given to you and understanding that. So in kind of, like you have the statistics that are given to you, numbers that are given to you, we are going to rewrite it in a paragraph, of course, in easy, understandable language. Okay. Now, when you start with data interpretation, yes, first of all, you're going to give a heading to the paragraph, and your content is going to be describing what is there in the graph, in the pie chart, in you can say the histogram or the bar graph, whatever kind of information that is given you. Could be a report also, right? Like here, every day you read the newspaper or you watch on television here. Nowadays, what is the alarming reports that we get? We talk about how many active cases of COVID-19, right? And we talk how many recovered. We talk about how many deaths. So that is, there are statistics that are given to us. And we are able to understand that. So similarly here, these paragraphs we have to write interpreting the information that is given. Now I'll just show you some examples. And as I show that, we'll just discuss how the paragraph has to be written. Okay. I'm sharing the screen with you all, and I have shared the pictures also, I think so, in your groups. Yes. So right now, as such, we don't have much information on the kind of paragraph writing. So wherever I was able to find out these graphs and things like that, so I've been able to get so that we can start off with the writing skill. It's a very important writing skill that we have to do. And when we discuss it, you'll find out it is so easy and it is so scoring. So writing a couple of sentences here, it's going to get you a lot of marks. Now here, this is a graph. Okay, it's a graph which is showing the time spent on watching television and on reading in an Indian family. Now here, if you see here, these two graphs are there. One is this dark line and other is the dotted line. The dark line, it shows about watching television, and these dots, it's about reading time. Now see the time period, it starts from here before 1990, you could say, isn't it, right? And it goes on till 2010. And here, what is it? We see that it is increasing. There's a steady increase. And when we look at the graphs over here, there is what? Wait.